Howdy folks. Today I want to tell you about a YouTube channel that I really enjoy. It's called Set Rum, and today I'm going to try some rum that he aged himself at his house. Let's go. So, Set Rum is run by a fella named Jame, who is obviously very knowledgeable about rum. He does a ton of rum reviews. He has interesting guests that are in the industry, and he gets a lot of rums that I can't seem to get here. He lives in Florida, and I don't know how he gets hold of these. I guess there's a different market in Florida than up here in chilly Oregon. Anyway, he does all these rum reviews, and of course it makes me want to try these rums, which I can't always do. He recently did a video about some rums from St. Vincent, which was very interesting. All these rums I couldn't get. I made a comment on the video that I couldn't get these rums where I lived. And he sent me some samples. How nice is that? Anyway, I'll leave a link to that video on his channel down below. He's almost at 1,000 subscribers, so go over there, check out some videos. Go ahead and subscribe. Let's help this guy out. So today we're going to try a little sample of some rum that he aged himself at his house in a small 1.5 liter barrel. These are things you can get on the internet. It's something I've never done before, but I've thought about it. I always just sort of figured that people who are experts at aging things would do a better job than me at my house. But so we're just going to try this and see if it's really good. Maybe we'll do it. You could even barrel age like a cocktail, which is always fun. Maybe I'll get back into that this winter and see if that's something fun to do. So what he did was he took some Rain Nephew, some Rum Fire, which are both Jamaican sort of high ester, very funky, not very expensive rums. He mixed it with some Angostura White Oak, which is I think it's from Trinidad. Unaged white rum, not very expensive again. Put it in the barrel, let it sit for 66 days, I think he said, and just see how it comes out. Yeah, and he included a sample with those other rums he sent me, so let's give it a try. So here it is. It's definitely got some color on it. A light, sort of a pale caramel, kind of. Not super dark, but it was only in that barrel for 2 months. It smells pretty funky. It's got a lot of that. I know the Rum Fire is a very sort of assertive kind of bottle. So it does have a lot of that sort of Hamden biscuit sort of aroma that we've all gotten used to. Almost like a fruitiness, less of like a banana, but almost like a lemon, or like a, not nail polish remover is not what I'm thinking of. But it's a little bit astringent, a little bit perfumey, or something like that. But definitely with that Hamden funk in there. Let's give it a try. It's a little bit hot still, but it's pretty good. It's a little bit of that perfumey aftertaste. Probably not as nice as like a really nice Hamden, but like a reasonably good rum. A little bit hot, I guess. I don't remember what the proof was he said, but I think it's over 50. So not like as like smooth and easy drinking as something that maybe was in the bottle a little longer. But yeah, certainly a respectable sipping rum. He was saying, he would probably pay $30 for this rum, and I can't disagree with that. I mean, it's certainly unique. It's got a nice sort of funk to it, but not overpowering. I know that he was trying to figure out how much rum fire to put in, which can be a little bit overpowering, but I think it's good. I think it's I think it's a nice level of funk. It does have a sort of a nice lingering flavor to it. I always thought sometimes you get like a cheaper rum, it'll be like a real short finish, so a lot in the front of the palate and nothing that sort of lingers. But this actually does kind of take you on a bit of a journey. So, this is great. Anyway, I've never had rum aged at home before. This came out pretty good. Very reasonable, decent rum. Certainly you could mix around, the spirit you were aging. He's blended 3 unaged rums, and there's options in which rums you put in there, obviously. All right, I guess I would probably think about doing maybe a whiskey, or maybe even a cocktail. Like mix up something and let it age in the barrel for a while. That would be pretty fun. So go check out Ready Set Rum. Great channel if you're into rum like I am. And we will see you next time. Thanks for watching.